Hello guys, this is how to fix YouTube dark mode. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on our desktop, and we're gonna go ahead and open up our settings, and then we're gonna click on personalization and click on colors. We're gonna change that from light to dark. Um, then we're gonna go ahead and open up our browser. So that is still not changed. Yeah. So we're gonna click on the three dots right there, click on settings. Then we're gonna change the color, make sure that's on dark. So right now it was on the default um, color, so that's fine. And then we're gonna go back and check. Okay, still it has not changed. And then you click on the profile icon, and then click on appearance, change it to the dark theme, and there you have it. Um, so if that doesn't work for you, what you're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna open up click the three dots again, then we're gonna click on more tools, um, click on developer tools, uh, then you're gonna click on the arrows right there, click on applications. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to clear the cache data, um, or any of the other cookies. So click that right there, and then scroll down until you get to pref. Right click on pref and then click delete. So that should solve it. If you're unable to open up the developer tools, you can also open up your browser settings. So we'll click on the three dots again, open up our settings, click on privacy and security, uh, cookies and data. Go ahead and just click on that. And then you would search for YouTube right there. Um, and it should pop up right there. And then you'll just go ahead and delete all the cache data that is attached to YouTube. So it is that quick and it is that easy to fix the YouTube dark mode. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.